Hi guys, it's me Aishwarya. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good and staying at your home. So today I just woke up and I was not feeling good about myself. I don't know why. जब से ये lockdown हुआ है, it has been like more than 1 year and just staying at home always leads to overthinking in my. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकती हूँ आज to lift up my mood a little bit. So I decided to make a video on body positivity and react to this trend जो कुछ time पहले आया था. In my case, because it is such a positive trend and it actually shows the difference between social media and the reality. So today I'll be reacting to some of those videos and I really hope that any one of you watching my video right now, if any one of you is having a hard time, the video may help and uplift your mood. Let's just get into it. Guys, did you see the difference? It happens. Even मैंने भी जितनी भी अपनी Instagram पे photos upload किए हैं, I don't know why, but there's this something that I need to do some kind of editing. मैं ऐसे ही नहीं डाल सकती. And these beautiful girls who are putting themselves out there and letting us see the reality, I really respect them all because शायद मुझ में अभी इतना confidence नहीं है. I really want that confidence though, and she is beautiful with and without Photoshop. Let's continue. This is the reality, even when I apply my makeup on abhi bhi, like, because I'm using my phone to record. So Oppo में क्या होता है ना, it has filter. Even if I remove all the filters, there is something which makes your skin look so smooth. It is actually not the reality, okay? I do have some spots here and there. It is very normal for your skin to look a little cakey after applying makeup. That's really very normal. We have pores. Love your pores. Come on, girls. Love your acne, guys. They're also a part of you. Hating them, मैंने ऐसा सुना था that the more you hate your pimples, the more they will stay with you. So just love your pimples, and जब किसी को ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, so they just run away from you. Although it's just a joke, but accept your pimples. Don't be so scared or hate them so too much, okay? She's that singer, Lizzo, right? I really love her. She's so confident in herself, and I really love that fact about her. She is confident to show her body, her curves. I think I'm learning a lot that I should also just love my body for what it is, because at least it is helping me stay alive, right? So, yeah. Okay, guys, let's continue. See, that is the reason I love this trend, It actually shows the reality. Even in this lockdown phase, I hope most of you girls can relate and don't think that I'm the nastiest one. No, I'm not. It's just कि when I used to go out, there was this thing कि हाँ चलो, let's shave or let's wax. All it's just an option, okay? If you love your body here, that's good for you. But I usually used to shave and wax all the time. But since this lockdown phase, I just don't care. I'm always lazy and दिमाग में रहता है ना, क्यों करना, जाना ही कहाँ है. So yeah, it happens. And this girl showed her mole, right? Yeah, our mole does get hair, okay? And it doesn't look nice, of course, but it is the reality. we get hair all around, okay, on our underarms and all. And if you can rock it, good for you. So you don't need to feel self-conscious about it, because everyone has body hair. Of course, किसी के ज़्यादा होते हैं, किसी के कम होते हैं. I guess Indians have that gene. We do have a lot of hairs on our body, or East Asians like South Koreans and all, they do not have it. There's no point in hating those hairs. Okay, this is just a part of us, right? She looks so different before and after, but I really think that she is beautiful either way. It's just, yeah, makeup does make you look a little different, and it depends how you do it, because some people do it very natural, but some do too much bronzing or something. Like, makeup is an art. It's just how you do it. And yeah, I also look very different with than without makeup. I do look a little sick when I remove all my makeup, but I have like I was not at all confident in removing my makeup in front of my friends or anyone else, but now I'm okay. I don't think too much. It's, this one thing, हमें लगता है कि सबको सबको दिख रहा है और सबको फ़र्क पड़ता है, but it's usually us who overthink. So कि हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, maybe what if that person notices, what if this person notices. It's usually it's us who notices the most. So yeah, don't overthink, and just try to be more confident in yourself like this girl is. The sun is gone, but we'll continue with the video. I really love this girl. I've seen this reel before. She's literally so beautiful. I'm not even exaggerating. And those mustache here, I get it all the time. One time my friend just pointed it out, and at that time I was so shocked, because किसी ने मुझे आज तक कभी ऐसे point out नहीं किया था. See, you have mustache hair. Of course I know I have it, and removing those hair is so painful that मुझे कभी हिम्मत ही नहीं थी. Although now it's okay, but if you can rock it, as I said before, if you can rock it, girl, go rock it. Just don't think कि दूसरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे. This is one stigma, okay? Most of the things we want to change about ourselves, or we want to do, is because other people point it out in us, और क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि दूसरे क्या सोचेंगे. But this is where we are wrong. I think until and unless, no matter what it is, waxing, shaving, getting your eyebrows done, anything, until and unless you are confident and you want to do it for yourself, then only do it. Just because किसी और ने बोला है इसलिए मुझे करना है, even if I know how painful it is, and in the back of my mind I actually don't want to do it, but still let's do it क्योंकि किसी ने मुझे बोल दिया. That is completely wrong. Just do it for yourself. कोई भी चीज़ हो. I was so insecure इन चीज़ों को लेके पहले. मैं ऐसा अपना एम बना के बैठी थी कि once I get a job, my first aim would be to save enough money to get a nose job. And now I realize how wrong I was, because तो किसी ने मुझे बोला नहीं था. I was fine with my nose. It was helping me breathe, and I didn't think it looked bad or something. But just because जब दूसरे बोलने लगे, so I had this stigma in my mind कि now I have to get a nose job, otherwise I won't be beautiful, I won't be accepted by the society, which is wrong. Okay, it is not that easy as it is said, but with time, when you start accepting yourself, your flaws, your each and every curve of your little tummy, if you have anything, your stretch marks, anything, just try and accept your body, and you will, with time, you slowly get to start loving your body, and you will feel more confident, and no matter what the other person says, it won't matter to you. She is beautiful. She is still beautiful. I know this girl. I have been following her on social media काफ़ी time से I guess, and she's beautiful either way. No one can deny that. And she posted another video of hers on Reels. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही देखा था, and it is very similar to this one, in which she's showing off her insecurities. So, you know, what I have learned from this video is, actually I knew it, but yeah, this video made me realize कि whoever puts something, a picture of them or anything on social media, that is always the best version of them, right? कोई भी ऐसे ही नहीं डाल देता photo. They click a photo, they edit it, they photoshop it here and there, and when they think this is the best outcome, they just put it out. And what we do is we see that picture, we don't know what went behind that perfect picture before the person uploaded it, and we just compare ourselves, and that is what makes us insecure ki yaar, she looks so hot, she looks like this, like what is wrong with us. And that is where we are wrong, and it is not fair to us to compare ourselves to something which is being photoshopped to another level, and we are not even aware about that. So yeah, this is the message which I wanted to give through this video. Now we'll watch one last video and then we will stop. Okay, she's the queen of makeup, WT. Did you observe after the Photoshop, वो जो आसपास की the surroundings, the background was also getting photoshopped. See, we watch again. See here, her waist does look snatched, but the sand behind her is also getting snatched. So yeah, I really love her, and I have respect for all these beautiful women, beautiful girls who have put themselves out there and actually showed the reality. And it just gives us a message that social media is actually fake, and let's not compare ourselves to those picture perfect pictures, right? Don't try to do something which you don't want to do just to please others. That is really very important. And on this note, I'll be ending this video. And as I was feeling down myself today, so I think it really uplifted my mood. Take care of yourself, and I love all of you guys so much. Thank you.